Here's a solution for day one, problem one. Find the midpoint between the points with these coordinates. Make a graph and then find the midpoint and show work. 3, 1 is right 3 up 1 right here. And -1, -4 is left 1 and down 4. That's right here. We're asked for the midpoint of this segment. So if we connect these dots together, we want to find the exact middle between the dots, somewhere in this area here. Now, to find the midpoint by showing work, we can average the x-coordinates and average the y-coordinates. Averaging those numbers, we'll find the numbers that are midway between these coordinates. So let's start with averaging the x values. 3 plus -1 divided by 2, comma, and now we'll average the y values, 1 and -4. So 1 plus -4 divided by 2. 3 plus -1 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, comma, and 1 plus -4 is -3, and -3 divided by 2 is -1.5. So here are the coordinates of the midpoint. On the graph, that's over 1 and down 1.5. So our visual guess of where the midpoint dot is was correct, right there. Now, day one, problem 2. Line C is perpendicular to line D. The equation of line D is right there. And we're told line C passes through this point. Write an equation for line C. The word perpendicular tells us that line C will have a slope that is the opposite reciprocal of that number right there. So we want to find the opposite reciprocal of -2. The opposite of -2 will be positive, and the reciprocal of 2 will be 1/2. So the slope of line C is 1/2. This right here is the value of x1 and y1, a point on line C. So with point slope form, we can get an equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's make our substitutions. For y1, put in 3. For m, put in 1/2. And then x minus, for x1, put in -1. Because of this double negative, let's do one step of simplifying. Y minus 3 equals 1/2 times x plus 1. Here's our equation for line C. Now we're asked to graph this. We know it goes through the point -1, 3. So here's the origin, -1, 3, right there. The slope of line C is 1/2. Rise 1, run 2. So up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Here is line C.